morning, y'all. It's moving day. It's been a long path to get here. My room is still very much a mess, and I want to start packing up the car in like 40 minutes. So I'm gonna get ready and go eat breakfast, and then hopefully it'll be like 5:15 at that point, and I can start packing stuff more tightly. So I'm currently running on like 3 hours of sleep because yesterday was my brother's wedding, and I got home at like 1:30 and I woke up at 5:30. So yeah. Ta-da!
We're done.
And just like that, at almost 7:15, we're out. I'm driving and my mom's gonna come with me, and I have to leave my car here because it broke down yesterday. So I'm gonna take my mom's car this week and then come back and get my car. Let's go to college. Here it is. This is my side.
If you are going to the grocery store, can I come with you? Because all I have is an electric scooter.
Yes.
So this is my roommate's side. And then she's not done moving in, by the way. And then this is my side. Ow. So I have my dresser, my closet, and then 2 bins up there. And then this is my dirty clothes hamper and my desk. Yes, and then I put up this photo wall. And then this is my bed, and I put my shoe rack underneath the bed. And then I have this for extra storage, and there's my holy cart that I haven't emptied that stuff into it yet. So, okay, it's night, and I'm gonna start getting ready for bed. Oh my gosh, start getting ready for bed. I have church at 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna meet my parents before church, but I wanted to update you guys on how I'm doing. So we went and did the freshman orientation and had dinner, and then I hung out with my friend for a little bit, and then I came back and finished setting up. So here we are. I just finished playing some games with my roommates, which was really fun, and I'm gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.